Hey, in this video, we're going to show you how to create a chatbot for your Facebook Messenger. That way you can use a Facebook Messenger when you're using Facebook Live to instantly reply and instantly have people subscribe to either your podcast, a newsletter, or anything else that you want to create. Coming up. Hello there again, it's Carlos with Zepeda Media, bringing you the best digital media tips, tricks, and walkthroughs. And hey, if you're new to this channel and want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. Okay, let's get started creating that chatbot. So the first thing is we're going to go to the website manychat.com. Once you're here, this is the main page. You'll click on Get Started for Free. You'll sign in with Facebook. And then bam, here you are. This is your dashboard. So we're going to go straight to Growth Tools. If this is your first time, you'll probably see 3 sample ones that they have here. You can go ahead and delete those or just take a look and see how they work. Let's start a new one. We're going to go up here to New Growth Tool. And then we're going to go down to Facebook Comments. It asks you to select a post, so we're going to go ahead and select the post. So you can go ahead and either enter the post URL or scroll down and select one of your recent posts. I'm going to go ahead and just select this one. And then go ahead and confirm that the selected post is explicit, that this page is going to contact users who comment via Messenger. Track first level comments only. This is if somebody actually just comments on the post. If they comment within a chat, you know, when certain people are talking to each other, if they comment within the chat, it won't get triggered. So we're going to leave this alone. That way, when they just comment yes or comment whatever we want them to comment, this will get triggered. How soon do I want this to get triggered? Immediately, seconds, or minutes? We're going to go with immediately because that's what we want. Exclude comments with these keywords. We're going to leave it that way. And only trigger for comments with these keywords. So on this one, we're going to go and ask them to type in yes. Okay, so we're going to do a lowercase yes, lowercase, and just in case they make a mistake and they have their caps on, we're going to go with that one. Okay, click next. So here's a cool feature. It adds their name. You can either go with full name, or if you click on this, you can select first name, last name, page ID, etc. I usually recommend just go with first name. And then fallback, you know, that's there. So you can say, hey there, if they don't have a first name. Also, another key note, just because they typed in yes the first time does not mean they're automatically subscribed to receive more messages from the other bot. They have to reply back again with a yes to confirm that they want to receive messages. So right here you'll see the please note. People who commented on your post will become your subscribers on Messenger only after they reply to this message. So when they do it, you can send them an opt-in message. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's give this message some personality. Okay, so here I've modified the message, give it a little bit of personality. Hey, first name, thanks for your reply. Before we continue, we need to make sure you are a real person, not a robot like me. Would you please type in yes one more time? So now we're going to click on next. So on this one, we're going to make sure that we set it up to send this to everyone who replies. Let's go ahead and edit the name of this, just in case you have several of them. Just make sure you start naming them correctly, in case you set it up in different pages. This is a podcast or a live show, just to make sure you name it correctly. Okay, so let's save this right here real quick. And now we can edit the name here. Okay, so here is the opt-in message. This is the second message after they've done that second yes. So first yes, they got them to that message. Second yes brings them over here to the opt-in message. They have opted in to subscribing to our Messenger bot. Again, you can change this message and modify it and give your chatbot a little bit more of a personality. Okay, so after this, what do you want them to do here? We want to make sure we set this up so they can click on something else after that. So from here, okay, how can we help you? So what are we going to do? We can add maybe, you know, give me more information. You can even do a call, which is amazing. They can just click a button and it starts calling you. So on this one, let's just open to a website. More info, say if you have a YouTube channel, send them to your YouTube channel. As I mentioned, phone number, they can give you a call. So over here, you see a quick preview on the right of what it's going to look like. Same thing with here. And you can do many other things here. You can add an image, text, you can put a list, add a video here, add a file. So many different things here. And so another cool thing here, if you click on back on one of these, you can add a tag sort of to keep track of where they came from. So if this is a certain reply, to, hey, reply podcast, to subscribe to the podcast, and this message replies back to them, you can tag them as podcast. So these people came from listening to your podcast. A certain post on a specific product, then you can tag them with this as well, so you can keep track of, okay, this is a certain people that came from that particular post or that particular ad. That way you can start keeping track of them. So now go ahead up here, click publish. So go back to the growth tools. I'm just going to change the name of this real quick. So I'm just going to do the live stream event just in case we did it from a live stream. Click save. And now we're going to activate it here. So the widget has been activated. So let's go back, and with our messenger, we're going to send the message and see the reply. We go to our inbox, and here you can see I typed amazing. The chatbot replied back, hey Carlos, thank you for your reply with the message we had set up. It asked me to type in yes again. I typed in yes, and then the ManyChat replied back again saying welcome, and then gives me those options: more info, see more videos, and call me now. And that's it for the chatbot. So make sure to go ahead, play around with it, see what you can do, see what you can create, and don't forget to give your chatbot some personality. There you have it, folks. Super easy to create that chatbot. If you have any other questions, please make sure to let me know and leave those down in the comment section below. Question of the day: have you installed the chatbot? And if so, what kind of cool tips or tricks have you put into it so you can receive more subscribers or receive more feedback from your clients? Definitely make sure to leave those down in the comment section below. As always, some of the best tips and feedback come from you, the Zepeda media community. So make sure to get down there, start commenting and engaging with everybody else. Hey, continue your digital media education by clicking on one of the videos right here. As always, Zepeda Media, bringing you the best digital media tips, tricks, and walkthroughs. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.